Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete memory dumps file to free up space. When your computer crashes or encounters a serious error, it creates a Memory.dmp file to log the state of your system's memory. These files can be useful for diagnosing problems, but they can also take up a lot of space. So let's start the video. The first step is to locate the Memory.dmp file. It's usually found in Windows folder located on C drive. Open My Computer or this PC. Open C drive. In Windows folder, look for the file name Memory.dmp or type in search bar Memory.dmp. This is the memory dump file. Open Property and click Details. And its size is 522 MB, so it's time to delete it. But first make sure you don't need these files for troubleshooting. So right-click on the file and then click on Delete icon and click Continue. So that's it. By deleting memory dump files, you can free up a significant amount of space on your PC. Thanks for watching.